Wonderland is a family amusement park located in Amarillo, Texas, and with it being home to over 30 rides and attractions, there is no wonder it is so popular. However, today we are going to count down the top 10 rides at Wonderland. Starting off at number 5, we have Hornet. And no matter whether you want to fly through the sky like a real hornet, or you are just looking for a fun attraction, then I promise you that this coaster will not bug you at all. Ding ding. The only thing is, however, this is not all for easy flying, as throughout its 1.5 minute ride duration, not only will you race around many family drops, turns, and helixes at a pretty fast speed, but you will also head over not 1, not 2, but 7 moments of airtime, which, trust me when I say, especially on the back row, creates an amazing experience that is definitely top 10 worthy. It is time for a good old classic Wild Mouse, as for our number 4 position, we have Cyclone, the park's, believe it or not, 1960s Wild Mouse ride. And so for starters, with this being one, if not the most common types of coasters around the world, if you are visiting the park on a busy day, then we would suggest riding the more unique attractions first. Yet if you do get a chance to ride, you will definitely not be disappointed, with you being able to board a rocket space shuttle that will then blast off around many classic twists, turns, drops and airtime hills, which you do not need to be a rocket scientist to know is totally awesome. Here we are at the top 3 rides at the park, and for this position, things are starting to become a lot more intense, as we have Mousetrap, and ever since its debut back in 1975, it has always been a fan favourite, and for a good reason, because similar to both Hornet and Cyclone combined, not only will you get the opportunity to experience many steep drops, airtime hills, turns and helixes, but you and up to 11 other thrill seekers will also whip around the corners, creating both a perfect ride for the entire family, as well as one which a trip to Wonderland, Texas would be nowhere near complete without a ride on. If you are scared of heights, then skip to number 1, as for our number 2 position, we have Drop of Fear, and with it standing at a height of 200 feet in the air, already I know some of you are going to be like, no way Jose. However, it does not stop there, because as soon as you have made it to the tippy top of the tower, you will get a fantastic view across both the park in addition to the surrounding area, all before you plummet back down to planet Earth in a matter of seconds. How cool is that? And so there is no doubt in my mind that this should be on your bucket list. We have made it to the number 1 spot, and in my eyes for the best ride at the park, we have got no other than Texas Tornado. And where do I begin when talking about this ride? As if I was going to talk about every great part, we would literally be here all day. Yet to start from the beginning, from the moment you walk into the park and see this classic Hopkins coaster, you will instantly want to take a ride. And you should definitely do just that, as words literally cannot describe how fun but also rather thrilling the many drops, turns, airtime hills and inversions really are. And so I think it is very easy to see why this is at our #1 spot. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.